Rice husk suspension furnace is an efficient and clean combustion equipment mainly consists 8 parts. Furnace chamber is where the rice husk burns, made of refractory bricks with a thickness of up to 110 millimeters. Heat exchanger, which enables the transfer and utilization of heat energy through the process of heat exchange. Upper flue, connecting furnace and heat exchanger, directs the flow of flue gases. The outer plate is made of high-quality steel with good sealing and heat preservation performance. Smoke extraction system. Ash removal system. Rice husk feeding system. Control system. First, start the automatic fuel feeding operation. The rice husk starts to be automatically supplied and conveyed to the furnace. Now start the ignition. The furnace adopts suspension combustion technology. Multi-point oxygen supply. Rice husk can be completely burned. The heat heats the wall of the tube through the hollow part, then extracted the heat to dry the grain. Clean and no contamination. Intelligent control system monitors the furnace chamber temperature in real time. Maintain constant temperature drying. Drying error value plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. The ash removal system adopt bag filter. The flue gas generated by combustion passing through cyclone separator, emission gas is colorless and odorless. The product has self-developed operation and control system, realizing highly automated operation. Computer, cell phone, screen control, 3-end interconnection, remote operation, prompt handling of early warning issues, effectively guarantees the safe and stable operation of the furnace. Husk Furnace, your best choice for grain drying.